Now another method for studying family planning program and controlling includes hormonal methods. That is very obvious that here the function of hormone would be most important. But which type of hormone we will study in this section? Hormonal methods includes hormonal contraceptives, contraceptives can be considered as the pill, which are considered the most effective spacing methods of contraception. Now these contraceptive pills includes various hormones which occurs in the form of pill. Oral administration of such small doses is employed in such method. Such doses includes various types of hormone like progesterone. These are the hormones which occurs in the form of pill, or another hormone like progesterone, estrogen. These progesterone, estrogen and progesterone are the hormones which occurs in the form of pills and is taken in the form of doses. These hormones that occurs in the form of tablets are known as pills. These pills are given orally for 21 consecutive days, beginning from the 5th day of menstrual cycle, that is followed by a break of 7 days, during which period menstruation occurs. Thus, the pill is given orally for consecutive 21 days that begins from the 5th day of menstrual cycle. That is followed by a break of 7 days and these 7-day break includes the period of menstruation. That is the time when menstruation period occurs. The best example of such an hormonal contraceptive is a drug called Saheli. Saheli is the new oral contraceptive for female. And this oral contraceptive contains non-steroidal preparation. That is, the steroids are absent in this That is, it is considered as a contraception of non-steroidal type. This contraceptive was first developed by CDRI, that is an institute which is located in Lucknow. The CDRI stands for Central Drug Research Institute. Such a contraceptive occurs in the form of pill and it is considered as a once a week form of pill. Which has few side effects. But are comparatively expensive than the other parts, and therefore it has high contraceptive value. Thus this was all about the hormonal method. Now the next type of method includes sterilization. Sterilization method is generally advised for male or female partner as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancy. In this method, surgical intervention, that is the intervention method in form of surgery, helps in blocking or blocks the gamete transport and in this manner prevents the conception. In this manner, the pregnancy can be avoided. Sterilization process in both men and women are different. In case of men, the sterilization procedure is said to be vasectomy. While in case of females, it is called tubectomy. This figure depicts the vasectomy method in case of male. As it can be seen from the figure, a small part of vas deferens is removed or tied up with the scrotum as a part of small incision. Thus, in vasectomy, a small part of vas deferens is cut so that the transfer or transport of sperm cannot occur. After cutting, it is tied up through a small incision in the scrotum of male. Then comes the second type of sterilization method. Here comes tubectomy. It is a part of sterilization method or it is a type of sterilization method that occurs in case of females. As it can be seen from the figure, here a small part of fallopian tube is cut and then tied up in the form of band through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. Thus, in tubectomy, a small part of fallopian tube is cut and then tied up through a small incision in the abdomen. However, sometimes apart from abdomen, such incision can also occur through vagina. Thus, the sterilization method in males is vasectomy, where vas deferens is cut or removed and then tied up, while in case of females, the fallopian tube, that is a small part of it, is cut, removed or tied up. These sterilization techniques are highly effective, but on the contrary, their side effects are much more than the other methods. Because their reversibility, that is the effect of their reversibility, is very poor. That is the reversibility shows very bad effects. Moreover, in such methods, it is necessary that proper selection of the contraceptive method should be done. So, here selection is most important. That is, which contraceptive method or the pills are used for such termination of the pregnancy. Moreover, such a use should always be under the consultancy of a of a qualified medical practitioner. That is, the proper medical guidance is very necessary in order to employ such methods for avoiding the pregnancy.